Alright, here we go. So I should have Aurora in red on my left, and I should have Reef in blue on my right. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 flags. You guys are ready? Table's ready?
Yep.
Awesome. Alright, heads and salute. Come on, guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. Attack can be the red. So you shallow. It touches using not quality. What do we call it?
The thrust went through the
Doesn't contact, not scoring it? That's okay. Should the shallow touch this way? That's 1 point.
Red?
Yes. On red.
1 red.
Reverse score. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. We're going to take shallow this way. For the consensus, you're not happy with quality, not happy with quality. Okay. No consensus this way. We'll go shallow there. We have 1 point on red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
Let's sell.
Young guy.
Yeah!
Can we see touch this way? Unsure. You see this one? That's 3 points on blue.
3 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Back to your lane. We're not seeing a sufficient touch. That's okay. Is it an interjection?
For any spectators, we have a coffee cart. Just sit up here, as you can see. Help yourself.
Yes. Yes, there's a thrust on blue. Are we doing a reverse scoring or no? No. Okay. The table's going to be stuff off. We need the scores reversed. Yes, I've been calling who's being hit and then the points we need to hit the spelling.
Okay.
That's okay.
Alright, so it should be 3 points for
3 points for Rory and 2 points for Rory. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Rory should be winning. Make it so that Rory's winning. For that exchange, a sufficient touch scored. If it's the scoreboard, and we'll go back in. 1 moment. That makes more sense. Thank you.
restarting time.
Time restarted. Fence is ready. On guard. Fence. Hold. Things like this way. The boss is given somewhere deep. We're seeing 3 points red.
3 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
Keep working. Just keep working.
Hold. 1 point apiece.
1 point apiece.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
5 seconds.
Hold. I'm sure this is the attack. It's an off blow. Get him back. We're gonna take no score. Oh, sorry, 1 point each. 1 point each. 1 point each. On guard.
That is 3 minutes.
We got time? Time. That's match red. It's just the first one that's okay.
When you're ready. Alright, up now we have Nolan on red versus Samuel Roberts on blue. On deck, can I have Sam Spekreijse on red versus Reef Bates on blue? So we just yeah, it's not. I'll try putting points in both. just the way what we set it up.
So, when you have a double touch, that makes the, if the touches that you get, so let's say both these scores and these does that need to be in these scores? Yeah. It's okay. It won't affect the outcome. It's just the numbers of it. Who gets that? Alright, I should have Connor in red on my left. I should have Samuel in blue on my right. Standing ready, we have Sam and Reef. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lines, are you ready? Okay, send the salute. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh, you see the initial hit is a cut to you're seeing a head. Couldn't see any touch? Okay. I'm seeing somewhere shallow, you're seeing somewhere deep. What are we seeing given back in response? I'm going to say 2 points this way. We can upload given. 1 point for blue.
1 point blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. Three points blue.
3 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. Come to your lines. Okay. In the power attack here. Can't see anything. Can't see anything. We're giving 2 points red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. Okay, so can we speak this way? After given. You think shall I given? Tactic. After given delayed. That's 2 points for blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. I think the outflow is insufficient. I'm seeing 3 points blue,
3 points blue.
which is match blue. Let's move that up.
Alright, up now on red we have Spekreijse versus Reef Bates on blue. On deck can I have Connor Nolan on red versus Aurora Brown on blue.
Why is there a $50 note hanging
Sam in red. On my left, we've got Reef in blue on my right. Line's ready. Table's ready. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Going to attack on the remains to a shallow target here. No offload given in time. We have 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Shallow attack given. No offload in time. 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Trust to the mesh here. No offload given. 3 points for red.
3 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. I'm seeing mutual shallow touches. No score. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Attacker and double into a shallow target this way. No offload given. That's 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Main attack this way to a shallow target. Shallow attack given at the same time. That's no score.
No exchange.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Attack parry pass given to a shallow target this way. A follow-up given in time. You don't like it? You don't like it? If you don't like it, I'm going to throw it out. Okay. Entering attack parry pass to a shallow target this way. That's 2 points for blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Which one did you like?
Second attention.
And you take a shallow target. Keep your flag up, please. Cool, cool, cool. Nothing. Cool. 2 points for red. That's match red.
2 points red.
Sorry for this. Could you put your flag away?
Versus Aurora brown on blue. On deck, can I have Sam Speckersy on red versus Stable Roberts on blue.
Alright. I have Connor in red on my left and Aurora in blue on my right. Lines ready. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Table ready. Fence a salute. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. Okay, I'm seeing attack and doublement for a shallow target here. The archer given deep, I think, is out of time. I'm seeing 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. With an attack, fire prosecuted shallow from red to blue. That's 2 points red.
2 points red.
Let it go.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. The initial attack this way is to a shallow target. This is redundant to a deep target for paying a shallow. That's 2 points for blue. Hold on. 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
Otherwise, over. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh. Sure you saw it?
Looked like it.
And you liked it? Okay. To further my lines, we have 2 points red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh.
Couldn't see from
Couldn't see it before the color. The absolute given. We're seeing 1 point red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. No consensus, we didn't see it. That's okay. We're gonna roll it again. On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
Get busy.
Hold. We're going to attack and doublement to a deep target this way. Immediate afterflow given. We're seeing 2 points red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. We're seeing a stop cast given here to the low target. That's 3 points for red.
3 points red.
That's match red.
Alright, up now can I get Sam Spekreijse on red versus Samuel Roberts on blue. On deck can I have Connor Nolan on red versus Reef on blue.
7 on my left and red. Samuel in blue on my right. Lines are ready. Table's ready. Salute. On guard. Ready. Fence. Hold. Simultaneous timing. Seeing a shallow target this way. Shallow target as well. That's no score. On guard.
No exchange.
Yes. Calling it for your head. Okay. 1 point for blue.
1 point blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Back to your lines.
No exchange.
No call of point. We're just going to roll it again. Thank you for pausing. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Shallow attack from red to blue. No after given. That's 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. The final. So the initial fails the parry riposte given this way is possibly an afterblow, but we're not sure. Yeah, that's okay, that's all I need to know. So we're seeing the shallow attack this way. No clear afterblow. We're seeing 2 points red.
2 points red.
Thank you. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. This is the initial attack. Shallow. Deep afterblow given. That's 1 point for red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! We have an attack, parry riposte given. Or the consensus on shallow here. That's 2 points red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! The final touch is clear. We're seeing 2 points red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold! Three points red. That's matched to red.
3 points red.
You gained that. You got to 9 points and got a deep target to get those finishes. I see you. I see you strategizing.
Alright, up now we have Nolan on red versus Reef Bates on blue. On standby, we have Aurora Brown on red versus Samuel Roberts on blue.
I should have Connor on my left and Reef on my right. Aurora and Samuel standing by. Lines to be ready. Table ready. Fences salute. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Attack parry riposte given to a shallow target and after given a response. That's 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. You see attack parry riposte given from red to blue. No after blue in response. That's 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Using an attack given to a shallow target this way, after blue in response, that's 1 point for red.
1 point blue.
1 point for red.
I'm
Red.
sorry, 1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Attack parry riposte given to a deep target, no after in time, that's 3 points for red.
3 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold.
contact's there. I think it's intentional. I'm paying a shallow attack here. Shallow attack from blue to red. That's 2 points for blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. We're clear on the attack this way. No consensus. Oh, consensus on the outflow given. Okay. Easy. Deep attack this way. Outflow given. That's 2 points for blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! Cut to the shoulder line. Cut to the chest or the shoulder line. You saw the chest? That's okay. You're seeing the initial attack this way. After it's given, you're seeing deep. You're seeing thrust as well. Okay. We'll have the flag up for that one. Just so I know. Okay. That's okay. Shallow attack this way after given in time. That's 1 point blue.
1 point blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
Final exchange.
Hold. Attacking the doublement to a deep target this way. No afterflow seen in time. We're seeing 3 points for blue.
3 points blue. We're at time, but
Out of
Ben
time?
is now Ben's time on points.
Is it up to me or is there a procedure for this?
I think that's allowed. It's allowed?
Allowed in pulls? Let's roll with it. Okay. We have a tie. Okay. These obviously can't happen in any more things, but yeah.
Alright, up now we have Aurora Brown on red versus Samuel Roberts on blue. On standby, can I have Connor Nolan on red versus Sam Spekreijse on blue.
There's no clause on it. We're all good. Aurora on my left, Samuel on my right. Connor and Sam standing by. Lions, we ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Table ready.
Yes.
Here's the salute. Come on guard, please. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Back to your lines. Now I'm seeing attack power response given to a shallow target this way, but I have no lines of agreement and we're going to scrap it. We're going to go again. On guard. Are you ready? Fence!
Go get it.
Hold. Attack's given shallow this way. You don't like to touch this way? Shallow attack given this way. Afterflow is passe. That's 2 points for blue.
2 points blue.
Guard. Are you ready? Fence!
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, there you go.
Attack power riposte given to the deep target. That's our attack. Afterflow given in response. That's 2 points for red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! I'm seeing attack and a follow up this way. This is our attack. Now the touch given here. So the thrust given this way.
Yes, to face.
It appears incidental, but the contact's so much that I think we have to pay it. I'm seeing attack, shallow, and after they given, I'm paying 1 point red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold. This thrust, does it stick and bounce off, or is it passe? 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 Does it touch? Touches and bounces off. Okay. The attack given this way is shallow. Deep attack given. Simultaneous shallow attack given. We're paying 1 point rate.
1 point rate.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence!
Go get it. Yes.
Oh! First is given this way. If it does touch, do you think it was simultaneous or afterwards? After? Are you saying after or at the same time? You couldn't tell. Okay. This is the attack. Deep. After given. That's 2 points red.
2 points red, and that is time.
Time. Match. Red.
Alright, up now can I have Connor Nolan on red versus Sam Spekreijse on blue. On standby can I have Reef Bates on red versus Samuel Roberts on blue.
Reef and Samuel standing by. Lines being ready. Table ready. Ready to salute. Come on guard please. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Shallow attack given the Oxford in time. That's 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Attack in preparation this way is to a shallow target. After is given. 1 point red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold. Back to your lines. A touch is made. We'll call a point. Re-roll it again. On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Oh! You think there was a deep attack in this way as well? Do you think that blue was on the attack during that motion? This attack initiates first, and then a thrust is given. Deep attack this way, arc blue given, 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
On guard, are you ready? Fence! Hold! I'm seeing simultaneous deep touches, no score. On guard, are you ready? Fence! Hold! Simultaneous deep touches, no score. On guard, are you ready? Fence! Hold! I'm seeing an attack, counter attack given, touches, using touches shallow. I thought it was deep, I'm going to take the consensus here. I'm paying 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
On guard, are you ready? Fence! Hold! Tie. You're not certain? That's fine, we can just do it again. On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! No touch made. 3 points blue.
3 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Second preparation given to the shallow target. That's 2 points blue and match blue.
On standby, can I have Aurora Brown on red versus Sam Spekreijse on blue?
Aurora and Sam standing by. Fence and salute. On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Attack parry pass given to the shallow target. After is given out of time. I'm seeing 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Attack is made. Contact with the gloves with insufficient quality. Response is given. Also the gloves insufficient. No score. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Okay. There is some touches made. No call of point. Exchange continues on and we're seeing a deep attack at the end. That convinces the judges. 3 points red.
3 points blue.
3 points for red.
Sorry, 3 points red.
That's okay, I'll speak up. On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! This attack lands first to the shallow target. After is given in time, receiving 1 point red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! This is the attack to the shallow target. The outflow is given within time. We're seeing 1 point blue.
1 point blue.
Time is not going.
It glitched out on me a little bit before. So
We now have time. That was 1 point blue.
1 point blue.
Well, we'll just have to finish on time. On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! I'm convinced by this attack to the shallow target as the initial. The outflow is given within time, according to the judges. Let's call 1 point red.
1 point red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Oh! Attack and endowment is given to the shallow target. The outflow is given in time. We're seeing 1 point blue.
1 point blue. Can we just pause? I'm having technical difficulties with the computer.
That's all right. Hold a moment while we fix the scoreboard.
Alright, computer has stopped lagging. We're all caught up.
All right, computer says yes. Let's go. On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! I'm seeing an attack. No. Take over the attack is given to the shallow target. 2 point blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Attack in preparation for the shallow target. The outflow is parried. That is 2 points red.
2 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Attack and redundant to the chest. That's 2 points for blue.
2 points blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Attack and redundant given to the shallow target. Outflow given. 1 point blue.
1 point blue.
On guard. Ready? Fence! Hold! That's okay. Attack is made. Lions aren't convinced. We'll roll it again. On guard.
Okay.
Are you ready? Fence! Hold! Attack prior riposte is given flat, insufficient, and unconvincing. On guard.
No exchange.
Are you ready? Fence! Hold! I'm seeing attack prior riposte to a shallow target given after given in time. Yeah, I think the lines are saying 2. Let's say 1 point blue.
1 point blue. And that is
Match blue. I think this is running very well on paper. Am I doing anything? You just let me know if I can make this move or anything else. because I'm feeling bad.
Excellent.
Can we do these through the pool? That's what I was wasting. I'm trying to waste time.
All right, for our final pool match, we have Aurora Brown on red versus Sam Spekreijse on blue.
Alright, I should have Aurora on my left and Sam on my right. The rest of the pool, you are at ease. Salute. On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
Keep working.
Hold. Let's go. Contact is made with the blades, but the attack's insufficient. We roll through. No score. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! I'm seeing simultaneous attacks. I'm seeing a thrust touch and bounce off on the shallow target here, and a thrust land deep this way. Simultaneous attacks, one shallow, one deep. That's 1 point for blue.
1 point blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! I'm seeing attack parapost for a shallow target this way. I'm quite convinced that the lines don't agree with me, and we're going to do it again. Let's do it again.
No strategy.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence.
Get busy.
Hold. Attack is given to the shallow target this way. Insufficient. Response is given this way, hitting deep. Off blue at the end. That's okay. We're gonna not agree on this flag. We're seeing a deep attack this way. We're gonna pay out 3 points red.
3 points blue.
Be happy to take it, but who knows? Yep.
It was 3 points.
Sorry, 3 points red on that one.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. What would I do without you? On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! Hold time. Okay, Lions, what do we see? Well, it was a bit tippy. 3 points, red. Okay to continue?
Yeah, I'm just about to
Hate when that happens. On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. What do you like? We like a deep touch this way. We're seeing a shallow this way. Do you know the timing? Do you know what hit first? This way or this way? That's okay. We're going to assume simultaneous timing. We're seeing a deep touch this way. We're seeing a shallow this way. We're going to pay 1 point for blue.
1 point blue.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Hold. Here's an attack given. No call of point. It rolls on. We're seeing an attack in the means thrusting deep this way. Upflow. No upflow seen. What we see is a deep touch this way. So we'll pay 3 points red.
3 points red.
On guard. Are you ready? Fence. Oh! I'm seeing a parapost given to the deep target here with a simultaneous remains given back. I'm going to consider them both deep. We're going to not score it. On guard.
Time.
Time. Match red. Really excellent ball. Hold on.